Time for another dose of Goyard unboxings with my Goyardine, Goyard Guru here for you. So this is a quick Goyard unboxing. I don't know if this is part one or part two. Part one, part two of my Paris haul from the end of last year. But this was a mistake. Unfortunately, it was a gift slash mistake, but now I'm stuck with it. So we'll talk about that in a sec, but just gonna do a quick unboxing and talk about it, okay? This is a bag I've never had before. A new bag I've never bought before. Bag some of you have asked me to do a review on, so I'll try to do a review on it while I have it. But it was a gift. Try to do a review on it, but it was a gift, and unfortunately, they don't. I'll explain it. It was messed up what happened. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're doing a Goyard unboxing from Goyard from Paris, part of my Paris purchases from last year. So if that's new, you're interested, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay. Like I said, Paris haul, and this was a gift for my mom. She wanted it. She wanted this bag. She wanted a few bags, so I went and saw them. She hadn't seen them in person, which is stupid. I should have taken her in person to see them in here before buying it over there because it's way cheaper over there. So I was getting it for her while I was there, but I should have had her check it out in person. So I called her, FaceTimed her, showed her the three options. She picked this one. There are two colors she was looking at, gray, black, and tan. She decided on black and tan, but unfortunately they gave me the gray. And then after they gave me the gray, I didn't unbox it until, because it was such a rush. I got it right at the end before when we were leaving. I was leaving to go back to the US. So I didn't check it until I was packing, and then it was too late. So I just took it and I texted my SA, but apparently after I leave the country and after the VAT's done, I can't do anything about it. I can't exchange it. I can't return it. There's no shipping. There's nothing that can be done. So now we just have the bag. And then she didn't want this color. And then on top of that, when she took the bag and tried to use it, realized it was not a very practical bag in the way that it works. So that's my quick assessment review of it, because I'll show. So basically it's a nice bag. I see a lot of people with it. It's the Belvedere PM in gray. Like I said, she wanted black and tan. Crossbody. It's got a strap that is detachable. It goes along the sides and it's detachable and has a little buckle so you can wear different lengths. And then it's got this flap closure, which goes like that, and then it opens like that. And inside, there's a slip back pocket, two front pockets, and then a main pocket. And there's a back pocket here, okay? I mean, it's nice. It's big and crossbody. It'll crossbody like that. Problem she had with it, which I realized right away, is that when you want to close it, it's very hard to slide this back through all the way back. It'll sometimes go through the bottom, but it's hard to get it through. And it's like you have to hold this hook up, kind of like that, in order for it to slide through and come out the other side, like that. And if you're wearing it on your side with stuff, it's gonna be really, really hard. So we tried it a few times. It was like, let's see, it's just like, I don't know if it's maybe this specific model, but or this specific one, but now I'm obviously getting a lot easier now that I'm showing you, but it was very hard. Anyway, so I don't know. I was thinking about, maybe gifting it to someone else, or I don't really want this bag. I haven't really, I know it's a little taboo, so I don't know, especially when they're brand new. So I don't know, we'll see. But it is a really nice bag. The stitching is nice. The shape is nice. I see a lot of people with it. I think it's a little bit more of a masculine man's bag too, but I guess that's my one qualm with it. You can take the whole strap off and then you can have it kind of be like a little clutch. I just don't love this closure. It's like, first of all, it's hard to get into sometimes because it has to be, I don't know, see if it when it's like that, it has to be up for the thing to close. Otherwise, if it goes down, this won't even make it high enough for you to slide anything through. There's no area to slide through. So that's a big qualm with it. I mean, I'm not gonna really use it. I have so many other bags that I would use over this. I don't think I can do a proper review, but just an FYI. And I think the bag is much more expensive in the US too. It was a lot more affordable in France, affordable being relative. Yeah, I mean, it's a good size. It'll fit a lot of stuff. Good messenger, good day bag, wear it over your shoulder. Probably double it up and cross it over, make it a little shoulder bag like that too. And like I said, there's, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 holes. So it can have about 7 different lengths. Maybe if you wrapped it through once and then hooked it, it would actually have less lengths. Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, you could totally do that. Not a bad bag, just not, I guess, for us. Okay, anyway, that's all I got. Goyard gang, Goyard Guru, here for you. Okay, you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.